العربية السهلة. مرحبا أصدقائي ودرس جديد. الضمائر الجزء الثاني. Pronouns Part 2. ذكرنا من قبل أن الضمير هو اسم يدل على المتكلم، المخاطب أو الغائب. We mentioned before that pronoun in Arabic represents المتكلم, the one who speaks, the first person. المخاطب, the spoken to or the second person. الغائب, the one who is absent from the conversation or the third person. وذكرنا أيضا أن الضمير ينقسم إلى 3 أنواع. We also mentioned that pronoun in Arabic is divided into 3 different parts. ضمير منفصل or detached pronoun. ضمير متصل attached pronoun. وضمير مستتر or hidden pronoun. We're still talking about the ضمير المنفصل or the detached pronoun. اليوم نتكلم عن ضمير المخاطب, the spoken to or the second person. ضمير المخاطب, the spoken to or the second person, we usually use it for مذكر and مؤنث, and also use it for the number of people that you are talking to. Are you talking to one person, 2, 3, or more? Let's see the examples. أنت. أنت, when you speak to singular masculine, you will be saying أنت, you. If you are talking to 2 people, then you cannot use أنت anymore. You have to say أنتما. So that's the second pronoun. So number 1 is أنت. Number 2 is أنتما. أنتما for dual. That is dual. If you are talking to 3 people plus, you are going to use the pronoun أنتم. So أنتم is not for 1 person, it's not for 2, but it's for 3 or more. And this 3 can be men or women, so it can be mixed gender, but it cannot be only group of women. Let's see the other gender. Anti. Anti representing singular feminine. Anti. You for singular feminine. If you are talking to 2 girls or 2 women or 2 boys or 1 girl and 1 boy, you still use the same pronoun, which is أنتما. That's for dual. أنتما, if you notice here, that's the same pronoun we're using for masculine. Same pronoun, we use it for feminine as well. أنتما. So this is basically number 4. That is the 4th pronoun. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, if you're talking to a group of female only, you would be saying أنتن. So أنتن representing plural for feminine. That is group of women, group of girls. You're going to say أنتن. Let's see more examples about that to make it easier. أنت رجل. أنت رجل. Again, أنت representing singular masculine. أنت رجل. You are a man. أنت رجل. Is that the same if you are talking to 2 people? The answer is no. In this case, you cannot say أنت anymore. You would be saying أنتما. أنتما, both of you. أنتما رجلان. أنتما رجلان. Both of you are men. All right. What if you're talking to a group of men? It's not 1, it's not 2, but 3. In this case, you would be saying أنتم. أنتم, all of you. All of you, رجال. All of you, أنتم رجال. And remember, we already said before that أنتم can be also shared with the other gender. So أنتم هنا, all of you are here. أنتم, so I have 2 men and I have a woman. أنتم can be used in this case also. All of you. What does أنتم mean? That is the attached pronoun, means all of you. أنتِ, that is singular feminine. أنتِ, you are. أنتِ بنت, you are a girl. أنتِ بنت. أنتِ بنت. Is that the case when I'm talking to 2 people? 2 girls, for example? No. It will be أنتما. Both of you. أنتما. Both of you are girls. أنتما. So أنتما representing dual feminine. And remember, this is also for dual masculine. أنتما. What if you are talking to more than one girl. It's not one, it's not two, actually it's more than two. Three or plus. In this case, you would be using the pronoun أنتن. أنتن means all of you. أنتن بنات. All of you are girls. أنتن بنات. So the أنتن here representing plural feminine. أنتن. All right, let's recap this. أنت, that's singular masculine. أنت, you are. أنت. The second one is أنتما, both of you. That's dual masculine or dual feminine, by the way. أنتما. All right, that's the third pronoun. أنتم, all of you, 3 plus. أنتم. All right, that's number 4. أنتِ. أنتِ, again, what is أنتِ representing? Singular feminine. أنتما, that is dual feminine or dual masculine. All right, so this is still number 4 within. And the last one is أنتن, that's number 5. أنتن representing group of female, which is plural feminine. أنتن. أنت, أنتما, أنتم. أنتِ, أنتما, أنتن. This is detached pronoun representing the spoken to or the second person. رجل. رجل, that is singular masculine. أحسنتم. أنت. أنت رجل. أنت رجل. Again, this is detached pronoun. It's not connected to another word in the sentence. أنت رجل. تمام. What if I'm talking to 2 men? Not 1, but 2. أحسنتم. أنتما. Good job. أنتما. أنتما is the pronoun for dual masculine. And don't forget, this is also for dual feminine. هنا. هنا. Now I'm talking to 2 people. One of them is a man and another is a woman. أحسنتم. أنتما هنا. أنتما هنا. ممتاز. جملة أخرى. بنت, that is singular feminine. بنت. بنت. I'm talking directly to her. And I want to say that you are a girl. Which pronoun I'm using here? ممتاز. أنتِ. أنتِ بنت. أنتِ بنت. Let's have another example. بنتان. Now I'm talking to 2 girls. Which pronoun I'm using with 2 girls? ممتاز. أنتما. أنتما بنتان. أنتما بنتان. Both of you are girls. أنتما بنتان. بنات. بنات, group of girls. بنات. So here I need plural feminine. ليس واحدة وليست 2 بل 3. 3 girls. بنات. ممتاز. أنتن. Very good job. أنتن بنات. All of you are girls. أنتن بنات. أطفال. أطفال, children, kids. أطفال. That is plural. ممتاز. أنتم. أنتم, this pronoun is the only one that can accept both genders, masculine and feminine. Remember, if you're talking only about a group of girls, then in this case you would be using the pronoun أنتن. But since this group is mixed, then in this case you would be using أنتم. That is the best pronoun that you can use in this case. أنتم أطفال. ممتاز. شكرا لكم أصدقائي. أراكم في درس جديد إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.